Do you ever wonder how gold is tested? People ask me on a daily basis, how do you know that it's real gold? How do you test it? Well, sit back, relax, watch to the end, and you'll see the process. So what we've got here is, unfortunately, a broken pocket watch. Now, the first thing we have to do, or should do, to make it easy for ourselves is check to see if there are any hallmarks. I looked at this earlier on and did manage to discover a couple of markings on it. As you can see here, it says 0.585, which translates to 14 karat gold. So in theory, that's easy Ozy. This part is also hallmarked, as you can see here, 0.585, 14 karat. Other parts here aren't hallmarked, which doesn't necessarily mean that they're not gold. So we're going to have to test each part individually and see what's what. So what I'm using here is a piece of slate and some 14 karat gold acid. The reason I'm using the 14 karat gold acid is, like I said earlier on in the video, there are a couple of pieces that are already marked 14 karat gold. So you would presume that if they were gold, they would also be 14 karat. As you can see, this line disappears straight away. So that confirms to me that it is not gold, and the first two are. Next piece here, exact same process. Scratch it on, add the acid, and once again, disappear straight away. The two items that I'm using here are the 14 karat gold hallmark pieces. So there we go, bit of acid onto it, and no change to the lines. This is a slightly different technique or method. What I'm doing is scratching down below, because you can sometimes get gold plated items. This is to make sure we go down to the base metal or deeper into it to confirm that it is gold. There's no change whatsoever, so that's positive news. Here we go, this is already tested as not gold, so I'm just going to show you what it'd be like when you give it a scratch and add the acid to it. Although it looks nice, unfortunately it's not a good sign, because that green fizzing means that it's not gold. I'm going to flip it over here and show you the exact same process, because sometimes you can get a thin layer of gold on a base metal, and this is slightly different colour, so I was hoping it was going to be gold, but unfortunately no, we've got the green fizzing, which confirms to me that it's not gold. So after checking each individual section of the pocket watch, I can confirm that 4 of the sections are made of 14 karat gold and 2 of the sections are made of a type of base metal. So there you go, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already following, it would help out the channel if you do so. Thanks very much.